Hey guys, welcome back with another study video. Guys, in this video, we will discuss that if double click on Apple Pay not working, so how can you fix it? So guys, we can fix it very easily. So let's check guys, when you click on side button two times, your hold near reader will work. So if this not work, so how can you fix it? So guys, we can fix it very easily. So let's check guys. Now you may open and you may click here on double click, and but your face ID is not recognized. So now guys, you may just click here on pay with passcode. So you may click here and you may put your iPhone passcode and you may check as your problem will be fixed, and now you can use your hold near reader easily. So simply guys, if you have forgot your password, you can reset here in settings. So you may just click here and you may just click here on, now you may click here on face ID and passcode, and you can change your password from here, or you can reset through iCloud your iPhone passcode from here. So if your problem is still not fixed by all these methods, then guys, you may click here on face ID again, and then guys, here is the option of your setup face ID. So you may click here reset face ID, and you may click on setup face ID, and you may set up new face ID, and then you may click here on unlock iPhone, iTunes, App Store, contactless payments. You may turn these on, and then you may check as your double click will work properly. So by all these methods, you can fix it very easily. So this is the video guys. For more videos, please subscribe our channel.